cutting across to my colleague Sneha Mordani joining us live from the newsroom. Sneha, give us the latest details, especially on how the condition of these children is now, how the doctors are now treating these cases, and how the authorities are in damage control mode.
That's right. Suresha, the first child has passed away in Bharatpur in Rajasthan. The second one is still in hospital. As far as Madhya Pradesh and Chhindwara is concerned, 6 children have died, and that is due to renal failure. It's acute kidney failure is what has been reported in these children. And the culprit here seems to be, and I'm not, going to say that there are chances that this really isn't the culprit, because it's been established by the authorities that DAG contamination is a possible reason. Suresha, it's not the first time the DG has been found in products in cough syrups made in India. There have been concerns in the past as well. In the past, in Jammu and Kashmir in 2019, 2020, there were deaths reported in Udhampur. The same cough syrup has been found guilty of causing these deaths, to the tune of 215 in Gambia, for example. But right now, I'm coming back to DG contamination, what's happened in Madhya Pradesh and what seems to be happening in Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, we don't know the name of the medicine just yet. In Madhya Pradesh, these are two medicines, which is Coldriff and Nextro DS. Usually, it's an over-the-counter medicine used in children and adults as well. It's available even now if you just look it up. So it's a big concern. DG contamination is what the authorities, local authorities in Madhya Pradesh are saying. 6 children have died, and this contamination is something that has been noted by the Central Drug Controller, the CDSCO, in India in the past as well. I have to tell you that there have been denials on the part of the Indian government in the past as far as DG contamination is concerned. We sell these to other countries as well. And that's the reason, one, there were denials, but it is being probed. Right now, as we speak, the government has sent a team of the National Center for Disease Control team to Madhya Pradesh to look into what could be the possible reasons. But this looks like the culprit. We have to get an official word on whether this is conclusively established as the reason behind these deaths. But this is a big suspect now, right now. The team of the NCDC that is studying the deaths of the 6 children of acute renal failure in Chhindwara would be looking into water samples as well, whether there is any other sort of infection, because there seems to be a pattern to this. It's not a one-off case. And then it's going to be established conclusively on whether there is a syrup